Hi, this is Panchali on behalf of Srimoi again coming with a new video. Today's video is again on designer kurti and again a mixed bag collection, branded as well as non-branded. All the pieces will be there. The booking procedure is same, that you have to take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. First, starting with few branded, and then I will tell you. And again I am telling you that please measure your armpit to armpit size before ordering. If you are first viewer of, please like and share if you like it. And another thing is that please measure, otherwise it's very difficult to give you the correct piece. Okay, first starting with a Jamdani weaving, premium handloom, branded one, of course, branded Jamdani weaving. This is a side cut kurti, and see the color and the weaving. This is the weaving with hakoba is used here. Beautiful baby collar style. Not exactly baby collar. The design is so beautiful. Length is 44 plus, 45 approx is the length. Just a puff sleeve is there. Beautiful color. The color I can't explain. It is not exactly pista green, but what a shade. Very sober piece. And all over this weaving is going on. This is handloom weaving. Light sequence work, just too light. I think for summer wear, office wear, you can easily take these pieces. Okay, this is the first for today. 40 and 44, both the sizes are there. 1040 brand. Okay, this is the first for today. 40 and 44. I think today's pieces you will really like it, because I will try to show sober simple piece. Yes, some of them may be party wear, but mainly as summer is going on and we need a lots of kurtis, I think, for summer, because it's not possible to wear the same piece again and again in a week. So I think we need, and this type of simple sober piece. Again, length will be 44 plus, Navranga branded, premium cotton. Yes, premium cotton. One side pocket is there. Multi ajrak paneling, not exactly paneling, just multi ajrak work, sequence and handwork, all are there. Okay, simple sober, not very loud one. In slit also no work is there. The lower part is plain. In sleeves also another ajrak is used. Two size 42 and 46. 790. Just the color is seriously very sweet color, and I think you can love it. Moving towards the next one, I know that I have only two sizes. I know this type of this kashish always high in demand. 40 and 44 kashish again, and what a piece. Beige dyed one, you know, what a color and what a piece. Seriously, see the piece. I want to show you closely, because exclusive one. The lower part, this part is organza is used, just only this part. Here less border all over. Another ajrak is used. This is the neckline. Just nothing but just small real mirrors. What a color combination and how sober it is. Just a beautiful one side cut, just too good. Those who like this type of ethnic, too much ethnic pieces, it is for them. 980, size 40 and 44. I think you will love it. This is the third for today. Moving towards the next one, as it is multi ajrak with pen kalamkari. Actually, pen kalamkari is high in demand now, and so all the branded as well as non-branded, all of them are trying to make something mix and match with pen kalamkari, as it is in trend now. Okay, multi ajrak with pen kalamkari, maroon. Yes, now maroon. I think the last day I showed a navy blue one. If you like it, you can also order that one. And this one 40 and 44. I have to show you closely. Side cut. It is not aligned cut. Side cut it is. And check. This is multi pen kalamkari as well as ajrak as well as real mirror. What a piece. The style is angrakha, but it is not at all angrakha. This is the neckline with ajrak border. See the sleeves also. What a piece. Maroon is the color. With this type of latkans are used, which is also with this type of wedge pieces. 40 and 44, 1050. Premium cotton. Okay, I am mainly showing today cotton. Yes, few pieces may be there which are not pure one. I will tell you. Moving towards, yes, today a number of pen kalamkari. I don't know what to show and what not to show. Pen kalamkari, seriously, we have to stock pen kalamkari as it is very much in demand. Sana brand, exclusive handloom cotton. 44 I am showing, 40 and 44. Actually a dual color is there. I don't know whether it is coming or not. Just it is green with a golden touch. Okay, the unique piece, seriously a unique one. See, Voldy type machine embroidery is done here. This is fully machine embroidery. If it is hand embroidery, it will be more than 1,000, I think so. It is machine embroidery, side cut. Just the color, something different. Seriously, something different. And this is a handloom cotton. Handloom cotton is the material. 890, 40 and 44. Let's as usual say. Okay, 40 and 44. Now the next in branded, and then again I will move towards non-branded. 40 and 44. Today again is the day for, I don't know why, how it happens. Some days are only 42, 46 are coming, and some days 40, 44. 40, 44 again. Handloom weaving, what a color. Oh, seriously, what a color. Just check it. Handloom weaving, fully weaving one. Handloom Jamdani. This is the back. Okay, with this exclusive pen kalamkari, and see the design. It is not exactly square, okay, or rectangle. This is something like this. This is the neckline, brand, using this beautiful pen kalamkari. Less border is used also. 40 and 44, 960. Don't miss it. Seriously, this color, don't miss it. I will not show any branded now. Now I will move towards non-branded. Yes, in non-branded, number of pieces are there. The piece which I am wearing, exclusive ajrak, and I think this pattern ajrak with pen kalamkari, it is seriously very, I think you will not get it. Yes, in branded also you will not get it. 3 sizes are available. Length is 45 approx. Premium ajrak, and this ajrak is unique. Seriously, mind it. This is the contrast pen kalamkari is used here. In sleeves also the detailing is exclusive one. The quality, wedge dyed one. One side pocket is also there. 40, 42, 44. 3 sizes are there. 40 is there, 42 is there, 44 is there. Don't miss this color. If you are looking for something unique ajrak, seriously, 840. 40, 42, 44, 3 sizes are there. The same another multi ajrak, and here 48 is also there. Only plus size, 46 and 48. Only plus size is available, just showing it. The next one, it is only available in plus size. I tried a lot to bring it in small size, but it's not possible. Exclusive one, 46 and 48. 46 and 48 for this beauty ajrak. Again ajrak with this beautiful pen kalamkari. One side pocket is there. See the piece. Those who are in plus size, just don't miss it. One size pocket is there. 45 approx is the length. Beautiful one. And another thing is that as this is white ajrak and maybe it's a little transparent, pure cotton inner, just premium quality inner is given also. In the green one, no need of inner, there is no inner is there, but here it is inner. 840, 46 and 48. Now moving towards another beautiful ajrak. Okay, again ajrak. Today 44 and 46. Please listen carefully about the sizes, as these are boutique pieces. All sizes are not available. Not possible for me to stock all the sizes because these are always high in demand. Premium cotton with ajrak patchwork, and see the cotton block. Exclusive cambric cotton block is there, one side pocket. Its length is not too long. It will be 44, near about 44. Ajrak paneling, simple sober one. 44 and 46, 490. Yes, 490, 44 and 46. The same variety in another color is there, which is available again in two size. I think it is 40, 44 maybe. No, 44, only plus sizes are there. 44 and 46. Seriously, this piece is in 490. When you get it in hand, you will, I think you will tell me how the piece is. 44. 44 and 46, other color. The color is extremely beautiful. See the block closely. Extremely beautiful one, 490. Okay, now moving towards, I am going to show today seriously the premium pieces. Dabu, beige dyed Dabu, two sizes, and this brand always follow one size higher. So it is available in 42 and 46. 42 and 46 Dabu dress. Dabu align dress, 47 approx will be the length. Align cut dress, Dabu with pure beige indigo. I think those who know what the pure piece is, Chinese collar is there, check the piece. Premium one side pocket is also there, align cut. This is the full piece, available in size 42 and 46, 850. Seriously, don't miss it. If you are in this color, don't miss it. Another piece, I showed this one previously. I think one color is again restocked. Yes, one of them, 40 and 46, two sizes are there. M means here 40. According to this brand, M means 40. I am measuring also, if any doubt is there, measuring the piece. 40 M means, according to this brand, yes, it is not only 40, it is actually 42. Oh, 21, that is, it will be 42. So for, yes, 42 near about 40 or 40 and 46, two sizes you can. Beige dyed one, beautiful one. Previously I sold all the pieces, I think in this branch all are sold out. 3/4 sleeves must be there, piping bordered is there, and must there will be 3/4 sleeves. This type of piece always comes with 3/4 sleeves. Okay, this is the piece now, and it is in the range of, yes, 690. Yes, 690 is the range. Now few pieces of single available. Yes, few single available pieces are there. I want to show you because many times it happens that you ask me and it's not possible to memorize which sizes are available. 42 is available, 1080. Sana brand premium Ajrak. Many of you ask me for it. 42, only 42 is available. Sana brand, Jamdani weaving. I showed this previously. This type of Gujarati handwork is there. Another Ajrak paneling is there. Just a simple sober one. Just a beauty, it's a beauty. And all over weaving, see the fabric, this type of weaving fabric, exclusive quality. Quality, just nothing to say. 1080, 42. Another piece is available. This is in the size of pen kalamkari double XL, maroon. I showed it's another two color, I think. One side pocket is there, this one is align cut. Pen kalamkari dress, you can wear it as a dress. Length will be 45, 46 approx. Okay, you can easily add this type of Kutch mirror embroidery are there. Okay, it is in the range of 830. Now moving towards, yes, few more pieces are there, single available. I want to show you Ajrak with ikat. Yes, two pieces left in this branch. Ajrak with ikat. The first one, it is written 46. But the size, I think it's not 46. I have to check. Sometimes it happens by the manufacturer that they wrote something, but the piece is exactly not the same. So I have to, yes, it is written wrongly, 40. This one is 40. Another color is there, red. That is also written 46. I have to check. And beautiful one, 40. Those who are in this size, don't miss it. Pure ikat. Pachampalli ikat with this type of hand Gujarati Ajrak paneling, light sequence work. Okay, this is the piece. 40 is the size. Okay, it is in the range of, just a minute, it is in the range of 840. Yes, 840 is the range for this one. Now moving towards, yes, few more pieces, another piece, and it is proper 46. 46, it is 46 ikat with ajrak, and so beautifully the design is side cut. It's not a line cut, side cut. What a smart piece. 46. Okay, it is 46840 is the same price. Now moving towards few new pieces I want to introduce. These are ikat, pure ikat, khadi ikat dress, and these are like kaftan style dress. The first one 42. Different size means, as it is 42 in size, those who are 40 they can also wear, those who are 38, because there is a dori to adjust the size, and you have to wear a leggings or pant. Side slit is there, dress but with slight slit, pure ikat, khadi ikat is the material, and length will be, I think it is near about 50. 49 or 50 will be the length, up to size 42 for the first one. I will tell you up to which size you can wear it. Yes, it is 56. 56 is the length. Okay, so for 54, 56 you can easily wear it. Ikat dress 850 for size 42. The second one, it is for size 44, as well as the same piece is there for 40. I am showing the 40 size, then you have idea what the piece is. This is for size 40, same is there for 44. 40 means those who are 38 they can also wear, 36 they can also wear, pure khadi cotton ikat dress. 40 or 38, 44 is there, and you can wear it for 42 easily. The same range, that is I told you 590. The last color, it is available in single one, 44, 590. This is another one up to 44. So 42, 44 they can wear it. Maroon. Not maroon, it is rust. Rust is the color. Okay, this is the next one. Lastly, few more pieces I want to show. Those who are just a dress, align cut dress are there. Few, not align, I have to check it. This is pure indigo with veg dyed kalamkari. Okay, veg dyed kalamkari. I have two pieces. One is there in the size of 42 and 44. Check the piece, 630. Wow, what a piece with belt. It's a dress, actually frock pattern. It's a dress with belt. Okay, just check it. Length will be 46 plus. One side pocket is there. This is pure kalamkari, something unique one. Na? Pure indigo ajrak border is there, and you can wear the belt to tie it up. Excellent one. Excellent one, aligned cut. What a smart piece. And in the lower part also, this indigo border is going on. So it is in the range of 630 for size 42 as well as for 44. You can try it. Moving towards another beautiful one. Again, this is kalamkari, of course, Andhra kalamkari. Two designs are there with Gujarati handwork. Two designs, two sizes or three sizes. The first one available in size 40, 42 and 40 and 42 for the first one. Check it. Just check it. Something unique. Those who are looking for unique one, don't miss this pieces. Check it. See, this is side cut. Okay, Andhra kalamkari with pure cotton, full heavy Gujarati handwork with mirror work. Okay, and in both sides, this paneling of kalamkari is going on, and this is same in the back. Okay, 40 and 42 for this first design. 40 is there and 42 is there. It is in the, and not only in upper part, all over this type of embroidery is going on. It is in the range of, just a minute, I have to check the range. Ranges are, I think it is, just a minute, yes, 750. Another design, this is also available in two size, 42 and 44. Check it. 42 and 44, just the kalamkari design color changes. Okay, 42 and 44. Andhra Kalamkari in panel wise, in middle this Gujarati full handwork side cut, and in back there is no paneling, but the previous one is with paneling. This is the design for this one. 42 and 44. I told you the range already. This is the next one. Moving towards few more pieces, I want to show you. Few just single available pieces are, no, not single. Before that I want to show you, this is jamdani khadi cotton with jamdani patchwork, low range. 42 is there. This one, it is of the size of 44, 48, three sizes, but these are short length. This is not too long. Although it is written 42, it is better for 40. Khadi cotton with this jamdani patchwork. This type of, with less border is there. It is a little bit transparent. Okay, I am telling you, this khadi, it's little bit transparent. Jamdani pocket is also there, short one. 42 or 43 will be the length. 42 approx. This is the first one. Although it is written 42, please take it for 40. Similar kind, another piece is there. It is written 44. Please take it for 42 or 40. Better for 40, I think. It is black one. Jamdani black one, 40. Better for 40. Because it will shrink a little. Okay. These are the range. Yes. 450. Yes. The last one, it is written 48. But I think it is better for size 46. 46. Red with this Jamdani. 450. Yes. Only and only 450. Moving towards few, just another weaving one. These are, I'm trying to show different variety today, so that this is only available in size 42. Jamdani weaving one, excellent piece. Three colors are there. Jamdani weaving, handloom Jamdani with real mirror work. See the piece, what? Smart piece, smart office wear 42. One side pocket is there, fully weaving. This is not at all any machine work or something. I am showing you the back, and the quality is awesome. Awesome quality. Okay, real mirror work, Chinese collar. Length will be 44. This is the first color, size 42 only. No other sizes are available. This is the second one, red, and this is the yellow. Okay, it is in the range of, I'm trying to show different, 690. Yes, 690 is the price for this one. Moving towards few more pieces. Just this is multi ajrak dress. Okay, but in small size. I'm showing different pieces today. Kalamkari with ajrak, different varieties are there. Only and only 490. I think for home use or rough use you can easily wear it. But check the piece. Length is 44, not more than that. But this multi-layer ajrak is used. Ajrak with kalamkari, with khadi, brush khadi, all are used. Okay, this is the first one. I have to check the size. 40 is written. Okay, I have to check the size. It is 40 or not. Just a minute. Because these sizes may vary. It is 42. So first one, it is 42. Another piece of the same is there. It is also written 40, and it is for 40 better. 40 or 42. The design is something different. Upper part kalamkari, this is multi ajra. 44 will be the length, not more than that. It is not floor length. Okay, 40 or 42 you can take it. 490 only. Only and only 490. Few more pieces are there today. I am trying to show something different today. This one, it is ajrak. Ajrak and ajrak. It is ajrak kurta. Okay, the different sizes are there. 40 is there. 40. I have to measure a little bit. 40, I think, starting with 40. See, ajrak kurta. Pure veg dyed ajrak kurta. What a piece. And the quality, awesome one. Length is 43, 44 is the length. Pure ajrak. Pure ajrak. Just pure. Check the neckline. This is the neckline. Just kurta. Okay. And I have to check the sizes. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Just a minute. This is, yes, 40. So, the first one, 40. In 40 maximum pieces are there. This is the 41. Those who are 40, don't miss this. Price is 590 only. Again, Ajrak with paneling, kurta style, 40. Check the piece, what a quality it is. Seriously. Paneling 40 again. Red collar for 40. Next one again 40. 590. Slightly different. All are little bit different. Please take screenshot. And if you are in size 40, please at least one more screenshot you can take. I think because it will be high in demand. The last one in this series, this is of the size of I think it is also 40. So this is the series in 40. 40, last one. Okay, 590 is the price for this. Now few more pieces I have to show. This is ikat with ajrak. I showed previously with different color. This is a new color, 40, 42, 46, 630. Premium ikat, and what a color it is. I am showing the 40 size, little bit it will be 41 approx. Not exactly 40, lightly big in size, and this pure ajrak with sequins and mirror work. And what a comfortable fabric it is. Length is 44, not more than that. 40, 42, 44. No, sorry, 40, 42, 46. Three sizes are there, 630. Okay, that's all for today. If you are interested, please make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. Thank you.